The slides you can see in PMA.studio are organized through PMA Core, Automation's universal tile server. You can open your images in a single viewport or through a grid layout. You can choose to use multiple tabs as well. With PMA.studio, you can open, view and annotate brightfield, fluorescent and Z-stacked images, not to forget the cross images. You can add slides to your viewport just by clicking on them, or by a simple drag and drop. When we talk about file formats, you might already know that Automation supports over 35 different ones, including codecs JPEG, JPEG 2000, XR, lossless, and PNG.